Hello sexy YouTubers. ArtisanTony is busy working on his next epic video but wanted me to confirm the running list of entrants for the crappy multi-tool giveaway. Crazy 45 Cat, Awooga 142, LP Dave Isaac GTO, Vapor Steve 1975, Ristine 59, RDP Project, Archer's Friend, Jug Brothers, Wild Bushcraft 1, Amohead 73, 56 Crown Vic, Lead Slanger. If your name is not on the list you better get it in fast boy. ArtisanTony will end the giveaway this afternoon without notice. After all, this is a crappy giveaway and needs to end fast. Thanks, love you long time.